There was a bug on my arm. I blew him off. If you have a bug on you, just blow it off or wipe it off. Yeah, like that. That's what you would do if you get a bug on you. Okay? You have 2 freckles? Wow. And 1 on your cheek. That's right. You got that freckle at the zoo yesterday, I think. Mommy never seen that one before. Where are we, by the way?
That way.
Say we're on a nature hike in the forest. Let's go find Brianna and Brian. What is that? What is it?
Tell me.
You want me to tell you what it is?
Yes.
It's a big tree stump. Tree stump, that's correct. I don't know, Mama. You tell me what it is. Wow, look at this big broken tree.
Who broke it?
Who broke it? I'm not sure. I think it just kind of fell down. Got old, or maybe some lightning hit it. Stay on the trail, don't cross it.
Burn.
Did you hear that? That was a motorcycle, wasn't it? Brianna and Brian sure are getting pretty far ahead on the trail. We better catch up.
Tree.
A beaver? No kidding.
What's wrong with him?
Who?
Isaiah.
Nothing.
Look, right here. Go down.
Stop, Isaiah. Stick together.
Right there. Behind you.
Oh, wow.
I think a beaver might have done that. I don't know.
It's possible so he could get across, you know?
It's just too long.
Okay.
Yes, it's time.
Time to turn around.
No.
We'll cross this and we'll turn around.
Yeah. We haven't found anything yet.
Because we still have to hike back, guys.
We can't go up because there's no way to climb. No, you need something to climb. We didn't cross it yet.
Hey, let's keep going and we'll climb those big stairs over there.
Big thing.
Keep going.